This is the route I'm taking at the moment. Bear with me if there's camera shake. I'm trying not to land in the river. Walking along Chee for the first time in quite a while. Well, 20 years. I'm absolutely thrilled that I finally managed to do this walk again after such a long time with my new gear. This is the route I'm taking at the moment. Bear with me if there's camera shake. I'm trying not to land in the river. Now I'm walking along the Monsall Trail to Monsall Head, which is all part of the Cheedale Monsall Trail to Monsall Head. It's a hot day. I managed to get the weight of the rucksack down, but obviously when you're carrying something on your back it begins to feel heavy after a while. I must be getting somewhat nearer to Monsall Head. You'll have to forgive me if the camera shakes. It's the phone and it's quite weighty. Right, I'm exiting the Headstone Tunnel on my way to Bakewell, as it's been an incredibly wet night and I want to dry out. The tent was a complete success. I've just exited the Headstone Tunnel. I'm wearing my Sea to Summit poncho stroke tarp. The tent was completely bone dry, no leaks. Love the Nightcap professional lightweight two-man tent. I've got the weight down to 2.13 kilos, which an average one-man tent, 3 to 4 seasons, is roughly between 16.99 and 18.60. Anyway, it's all good.